Local candidates of the Liberal Party in Manila were also among the early birds of the poll body. They were led by re-electionist Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim. Noel Perfecto returns with the report.
After a mass at the Manila City Hall, Mayor Alfredo Lim introduced the Liberal Party lineup of 36 councilors, 6 congressional vets, and his vice mayoralty candidate Lou Veloso. Mayor Lim likewise presented their guest Liberal candidates for Congress, as well as their supporters.
Natatakot ako. Baka yung papalit sa akin, kung hindi na ako tatakbo, biglang isara itong ating hospital nito. Paano naman ang ating mga kababayan?
Supporters likewise reacted positively to the efforts of Mayor Lim to give jobs to all Manileños.
Wala pong pagbabago ang pagmamahal nila, ang kanilang suporta, kasama na ng iyong mga pamilyang barangay official na dinalaw mo noong nakaraang linggo.
Ito ang ating karapatan, yan ang pinaka hindi nawawala sa atin, ang bumoto. Yan ang pinakamarangal nating karapatan sa atin bilang Pilipino.
Ang sinasabi po nyo ba, may dapat na mamili na sila ng tamang mga public servant?
Oo, at saka ang aming pumili sila.
The Liberal Party members trooped to the Comelec office to file their certificates of candidacies and certificates of nomination of acceptances.
Pasalamat ako una sa Panginoon, kay Mayor Lim, at tinawag ako sa mas malaking responsibilidad.
Mayor Fred Lim said they are ready to accept the results of first ever computerized elections, which he said would be favorable to the Liberal Party.
Bakit? Natatakot mo sila? Meron silang partido. Kala ko ba malalakas yung partido nila? Ba't gusto pa nila zona libre?
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.